Today I'm going to show you guys how to put on lipstick and false eyelashes for you sissies out there that can't fucking figure it out. So here we go. Watch carefully. First, you start with lip liner to make sure everything stays in place. You not only outline your lips, but you also fill them in. Right now I'm going with a lighter color so that the lipstick I put on comes out a little bit brighter. If you want really dramatic lips, you can go outside the line. I'm just going to go with my natural lip line today. I also like to put on chapstick or lip balm before I do this, and then you just dab off the extra so that your lips aren't dry and crackly. Alright. And for a really dramatic look, you can exaggerate the Cupid's bow here, but like I said, I'm just going to fill in my natural lip line. Alright. And then you can either go with a lipstick or a stain, or there's so many different options for your lips. But I'm going with a classic bright pink lip tar from Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics. And this stuff you use a brush to apply. It's kind of sticky. You just need a tiny, tiny little bit. Make sure you color in the lines. More at the top lip. Just kind of dab them together. You don't want to rub them too much because it moves the color around. There you go. And then make sure you don't get any on your teeth. See? That would have been on my teeth. Alright, now lashes. I think it's quite fitting that I learned how to put on lashes from hanging out with drag queens. So, all you sissies out there, you can do it. You can do it. No excuses. I prefer to go with a latex-free lash glue. I'm not allergic to latex, but some of the things in the regular lash glue I am allergic to. It irritates the hell out of my eyes. They put weird stuff in lash glue. So, take the lashes and I'm just going to dab a little bit of glue all along the strip. Hope you guys can see that okay. I have too much coffee today. And then you let it dry for a little bit. You don't want it all the way dry, just enough that it's a little sticky. And I prefer to use tweezers to apply lashes. Everybody has their own preference. Some people just do it with their fingers, some people have specific tools for it. I just use good old-fashioned tweezers. Just gonna let it dry. You can blow on it. Alright. And make sure before you put them on that they are the right size also. Some people have smaller eyes than the lash strip comes. I have pretty big eyes, so generally I don't have to trim them, but sometimes you do. Just about time. Alright. So I usually hold it at the outer corner with a pair of tweezers. And then, let's see. I start from the outer corner and rest it right against my lash line. And then I go to the inner corner and just follow my eyeliner. There we go. Sometimes you have to kind of nudge it into place. That's when the tweezers really come in handy. If you're trying to do this with just your fingers, sometimes it gets a little messy. There we go. Alright. Time for the other one. Glue. And if you let the glue dry a little bit before you put them on, it also helps to keep them in place once they're on, and they don't get all sticky on your eyes. They should be about dry by the time you get them on. And then they just stay. Alright. Tweezers. Be careful not to poke your eye with the tweezers. They got a little stuck to the tweezers. I'm going to try not to touch the glue with the tweezers. There we go. And just press it into place very gently. Corners. Mm-hmm. hang me. I have to force it to submit. There we go. Voila. And try not to look all the way up until your lash glue is completely dry. Otherwise, it'll transfer onto your eyelid and make a fucking mess. And you don't want that, do you? Well, let's see. Looks good. And there you have it. Now you know how to put on your makeup. You have no excuses. Better get pretty for me.